Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can enter or type in a new line on Discord PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my Discord application on my computer and I'm going to show you how we can enter on Discord. So I'm just going to send a message to this friend. I'm going to type in hello, and then if we want to enter on Discord, we have to press the shift button with the enter button at the same time. So just press your shift and enter. As you can see guys, that we'll be able to type in a new line with the shift and enter. If you click on enter, it will send message automatically like this. But if you click on shift and enter, it will create new line like this. Okay, that's so simple, right? You just need to use the shift and enter button at the same time. Okay guys, and that's all the way to enter on Discord PC. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.